Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw dotted arrow in Photoshop. Create a new file, then create a new layer and select right click on your mouse, click the custom shape tool and see this use shape. Click any shape, select the fill color, not stroke color, select your stroke color. I stroke color this color and click dash line. Size, then hold shift for fixed size and do not hold shift for custom size. And another way to again create a new layer, again right click on your mouse, click custom shapes and now say this use shapes. Example, I use this shape, fill color, rectangle, right click on your mouse again, then adjust your positions. I adjust these positions here, then click the pen tool, right click on your mouse, click pen tool, shape and do not use fill, apply the same formula. Hold alter, hold alter, increase the size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.